Hi Shopify devs, do you know with Shopify basic settings? If your answer is no, so don't worry, I will explain all the settings Shopify stores. So watch till the end. So let's begin. First go to Shopify settings, and after that you can see first thing Shopify details. In general settings, basically in Shopify details is general setting. This section include basic information about your store such as a Shopify store name, email and phone number, and you can check your store status and time zone and currency here. Yeah, and after that you can change order, prefix and suffix. When you change here, it will reflect in a order list here. So go back to setting, and we see all the information has covered in the store section. And second one is a plan. In plan, you can see your active plan in this section and connect with the Shopify support team if you require it. Basically, support team email and chat will appear when you buy the plan. Yeah. And next section is a billing. In billing sections, you can see payment method here, and you can add your credit card and UPI for Shopify plan payment for each month automatically deducted from your card. So which currency and subscription billing and credit tax GST also, if you have a GST number then you can add, otherwise all the information basic you can aware. And next thing is the Shopify user and permissions. In this section you can transfer your ownership after completing your dev work. Yeah. Next thing, staff. You can create a staff account for individual who need access to your Shopify store admin panel. Each staff account has a unique login ID and password. In this basic plan, you can add up to 15 staff. And second thing is the collaborator access. So if you allow, you can assign the permission each staff based on their role and responsibilities, and you can control access the different areas of admin panel and orders, customer, product and settings. Yeah. And okay, go back to collaborator access. Collaborator, in this section you can give your store access to support team and then designer for they can access the store and for temporary purpose, then they can change your current store. Yeah. And here is anyone can send collaborator access, and here is the two settings. When you send this code, and then they can send, otherwise anyone can send. And go to back in a next thing and a payment. Yeah, right now I have not added any payment method, for right now is working backwards. So in this section you can configure payment provider to accept payment from customer, support various payment gateway including Shopify payments, PayPal, Stripe and others. Also set up alternative payment method. Yeah. Manual payment method, go select and change provider, choose another provider, then you can select. Yeah, same thing for additional payment method. Click on this and search by provider. Yeah. Next thing, in a checkout process is aligned to your brand and preference. You can enable guest checkout and yeah, and customize language and custom field and collect additional information from customer. Also configure abandoned card recovery settings. Customize your checkout, click on this Then you will redirect in a customizer. Go to global setting and change logo, logo, header, left line, right line, background, CTA colors, these things. And when you click on this, and then you can change thank you, order status, order profile, yeah, or customize your order store. Then when you click on this, you will redirect in a theme customizer. So go back to checkout. Here is a live checkout, here is a draft checkout, yeah, and customer additional information what you want, and you can check and additional correction, order processing. Main thing is the abundant checkout emails. So when you send 1 hour, 6 hour, and 10 hour and 24 hour, I think this thing we have already discussed in a previous video, so you can check. When you click in the customize emails, abundant checkout email, so click on this, you will redirect in this, you will direct here. You can change anything from the design related in a checkout template, and you can preview these abandoned email, abandoned checkout, and order status page. In this section we can add a script for thank you page, like a data layer and etc. And so this thing we can use in a customer event for right now. And after that you can extensibilities, checkout language, you can change checkout roles. Checkout rules. When you create a Shopify checkout extension and Shopify functions, when you create Shopify checkout 2.0 extensions and Shopify functions, then you can enable this Shopify rules and go to another sections, customer account. So in this section, in Shopify's customer accounts allow to manage various aspect customer interaction and account on the online stores. Yeah, here is the two types of login: design and layout, classic and new. Basically, new thing here you can check when you click on this, show new and classic. In classic, we are using theme design and we can manage through the liquid file and do customize easily all the thing we can manage. And new checkout, we can use Shopify default layout like checkout 2.2. Here we do not have access to liquid file to manage and anything in this login page. You can create extension for login page and like checkout 2.0 extension and created and added here, added for the customizer, yeah. And click on this and new customer branding you can change. Click on this, you can change name, address, everything thing for checkout, then automatically appear in a customer. So self-serving, and this is a dynamic URL, new account page URL, customer account. So you can manage this domain name. So click on this and then change, and branding, customize theme. When you click on this, you will redact, yeah. Also you can change here, add sections, everything, login page, sign up with shop and multipass. Basically this is a token based authentications. So when you enable this, then you will shipping. Here you can set up shipping rate and method for your products. You can define shipping zone and rate based on weight or price, and offer price shipping on flat and options. So here is a default added when you created a Shopify store. So you can change here, otherwise you can create your own. Suppose go to here and Shopify devs and also add your products. Mhm. And your product, and create zone where you want to sell. Like I want to sell INDI. When I selected India, and 35 7 state has selected. You have created custom shipping rate, yeah, and you can order setting, order routing, and you can create location delivery, yeah. You can set up, pick up these things where you pick up locations, say packaging. Like you can, when you click on this, and you can add a box width and height for the slip, so it will easy to when you creating a slip. You can add, you can connect with a third party shipping provider and courier service and packaging slip, enable packaging template. Yeah, this is a packaging template. For now we can change through the edit this, and you can add a css, and then you can change slip. Yeah, order fulfillment, add third party fulfillment service, a template, courier accounts, Shopify shopping, Shopify shipping, and local products, local pickup. Let customer pick up this order from your locations. Basically, when we created in lots of locations, so it will easy. Yeah, so created a shipping and select a product and a zone. So that's it. So go back to another section, tax and duties. Configure tax and settings based on your store locations and tax regulations. You can set up automatic tax calculation and manually configuration tax rate and different regions. I think, as you know, basically every country has a different tax regime and tax. Like India is a different, and Canada, UAE is different. So basic thing is already added. Like suppose when you click in India, as you know, all country has a different tax and duties. So when you click in India, automatically fulfill 18% tax. But if you want to change, you want to reduce, suppose government has announced but here is not updated, so you can change here. Same thing for other countries, Australia, Canada, all the things here. So the only these things we need to change tax. And also you can add here duties and import. You can import here, and global setting include sales for the product price, shipping rate include, and after, so charge VAT and these things. If you want to more detail, then you can click on learn more and sales tax. Go to next sections, locations. In this section, location setting are essentially managing inventory, shipping and tax calculation accurately. Here on the overview of the location setting available. Basically, store setting set a primary physical location of your store. This location is used for various purposes, including tax calculation, fulfillment, and local pickup options. Yeah, by default this one, and same thing. You can click on add. You can add your new store locations. Multiple location. If you have physical store, warehouse, and fulfillment center and different areas, each location can have your own inventory and fulfill setting. It will easy to inventory management, enable or disable inventory tracking for each stores. When inventory tracking is enabled, Shopify automatically update stock level based on your sales and restocks. Order transfer, yeah, basically stock transfer between location, balance inventory. Suppose somewhere has or product has less and somewhere has a full inventory, then you can order transfer. Essentially, you can manually initiate the stock transfer and set up automatically transfer based and predefined rules. Basically all the things are correlated: shipping and delivery and locations. Yeah, and define shipping zone based on the geographics, region, and calculation. Shipping rate accurate each location and associate it with the specific zone and ensure accurate rate and calculations. Yeah, and same thing for tax calculation, currency conversion, store reporting analysis. For your customer, regularly review and update these setting align with your business requirement and ensure seamless shopping experience for your customer. Yeah, cover the 10 setting point in this video. Rest of the setting we will cover next video. Yep. If you found this video helpful and gained valuable knowledge, don't forget to show your support by liking and subscribing to our channel. Take care. Bye. Thank you.